Oh, big bus, a big bus, a big bus. Did you know? Oh, big bus. Like this. You're welcome back to class. So today's letter sound, we are considering letter sound. Alright, so when you see this, it makes the sound Z. Alright, we have words like zebra, zoo, ziplock. Alright, so let's blend one or two words using the letter sound Z. Z. E. Z. Zip. Z. A. G. Zag. And lastly, Z. A. Zap. Alright, so that is the letter sound Z, as in zebra, zoo, zigzag, ziplock, and so on. Alright, thank you for joining me in today's class, and please like and comment. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.